So one of the reasons that I absolutely love Kordz is because of how involved they are with the industry as a whole. They're just so interested in the greater picture of everything. Not only do they have an amazing product out there that they certify and they test and they make sure that it is rigorously going to work out there out in the field with you, and it's not going to have service issues or have service problems. They understand your time and the value of your time, but they also believe in the industry as a whole. I know that that's a huge important thing for both James and everybody at Kordz of certification. They've been very involved with CDS certification and just helping to elevate the industry as a whole to the community out there. And they're always focused on not just them at Kordz, but also the bigger picture and how they can play a piece in that bigger picture.